Hi, everybody. It is me, Vivian Benishek, here again with another speaker for our series of Women's History Month. I'm so excited to introduce our next guest, Carly Berglas, and she's just a phenomenal girl. She's always working hard, and we're going to miss her a lot next year. So let's go ahead and talk to her. Hi, Carly. Welcome.
Hi, Vivian. Thanks for having me.
Of course. So let's go ahead and give an introduction. Do you want to tell your age, grade, department, if you're a veteran on the team?
So I just recently turned 18, and I'm a senior at Francis Parker, obviously. I'm in the build department. I'm the director of trainings there, so I really help all of the new people get integrated into the team.
Perfect. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started. So, walk me through that first moment when you knew that you were interested in STEM. Like, what was appealing about it or it really caught your attention?
Yeah, it for me it goes way back to probably around second grade. I mean, the it was the height of the space shuttles and everything, and the Curiosity rover was landing on Mars, and that was just the most amazing thing for me. And that idea of like exploration and discovery has really been a driving force for me in
Mhm.
STEM.
That's so cool. And do you maybe like remember the first project that you were assigned like on the Warlords team or like that first big initiative?
Um, I I think it would be when I did my first big piece on the new lathe, and it was like a multi-day thing and multiple parts that had to be put together, and it was a really cool experience for me to make something that would be used.
That's so cool. Okay. Well, now jumping into another question, what does gender diversity or equal opportunity of the sexes look like or mean to you, right, in a STEM profession?
I would think that it is a balance of everybody and like ideas from all over. And I think that really starts with early education. I mean, if you don't if you don't see it, then it's not a reality to you. So if you aren't introduced to these classes, then you don't think that you're able to do these math problems or work in these fields. And I think that's really important.
Yeah, absolutely. So jumping off of that, how can we maybe help young girls, especially those that may be in underprivileged communities or maybe girls of color, how can we help them have more confidence in their abilities in STEM?
I think personally, I do think that it is about like early education, and I think having a very safe space to be able to explore all different things, and think, and also being able to say, as like I like this thing, but maybe I don't want to pursue it, but it's still like available to you. And sorry, I'm going off track.
Uh,
But I think being able to explore all different fields at a young age is really important.
Gotcha. Yeah, that makes complete sense there. Okay, so now we're going to actually give a quote and then I'm going to have you react to it. So, this is a quote from Macy Jemison, and she was the first Black woman to travel into space. And she said the following: "Don't let anyone rob you of your imagination, your creativity, or your curiosity. It's your place in the world and it's your life. Go on and do all you can with it and make it the life you want to live." So, how have you seen this mentality or philosophy play out in your own experiences with STEM, or what do you find empowering about this quote?
I think I think with that quote specifically, it's what it means to me is like being able to persevere beyond like challenges that maybe your circumstances or other people in what you're working on have thrown at you. And I personally, brain freeze. Um,
It's just really like maybe like creating, following your passions, but also,
yeah,
noticing that there will be challenges and that you have
yeah.
to figure out a way to overcome it. Got it. Okay, no problem. Well, since you are, a huge, you've been on the team for a long time. So, say I'm an incoming freshman girl, what would you say to them if they are curious about starting robotics? They're a little nervous or hesitant. What would you tell them?
I would just say go for it and try. I mean, there's so many different facets of our team, so you're bound to find something that you really enjoy. And I think just getting as involved as possible really helped me personally, and making those connections within the team that make you want to keep coming back. And it's just a great time. I would say to anybody,
Oh,
come
yeah.
on in.
Absolutely. We'd love to have anybody who's watching who is interested in joining. You guys should totally do it. You will find your place. I promise. I joined my junior year, and I'm here. I'm still here having fun. All right. Well, thank you so much, Carly. We really appreciate it. Thank you for your work. We're going to obviously miss you when you're gone. And yeah, have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.